In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font color on Squarespace step by step in a way that's simple, beginner-friendly, and easy to follow. If you've ever wanted to update the text color on your website to match your branding, improve readability, or make certain sections stand out, this is exactly what you need. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside your site, look over to the left sidebar and click Website. Then select Pages. This takes you to the area where you can access your page content and begin making design changes. Now, find the page you want to work on and click the Edit button in the top left corner of the page preview window. This will launch the Squarespace editor and let you make live changes to your site. From here, you'll see your page exactly as it appears to visitors, which makes it much easier to update the design accurately. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Site Styles icon. This is the paintbrush icon and it opens all of your design settings. Site Styles is where Squarespace keeps the colors, fonts, spacing, and other styling options for your website. When the Site Styles menu opens on the right side, click Colors. Inside this section, you'll see a list of your site's active color themes. These might be labeled things like Light 1, Dark 1, Bright 2, or something similar, depending on your template and design setup. Now here's an important part. Before you change anything, look at the specific section on your page where you want to update the font color. Squarespace uses different color themes for different sections, so you need to identify which theme that section is using. When you hover over a section in edit mode, you'll see the theme name displayed in the top right corner of that section. Make a note of that theme so you know exactly which color palette to edit. Once you've found the correct theme, click the pencil icon next to that color theme to open its palette. This is where you can fine-tune the colors used across that section of your website. Scroll down through the themes element list until you find the text or site header categories. Depending on what part of your site you want to change, this is where Squarespace separates the different text styles. Now click on the specific text element you want to modify. For example, you can change headings, including large, medium, or small headings. You can also adjust paragraphs, whether they are large, medium, or small. And if you want to change clickable text, you can edit links as well. After selecting the text element, click the color circle next to the element name. This opens the color picker, where you can choose a new font color that better matches your brand or design style. You can select from the preset options or customize the color more precisely until it looks just right. As you make your changes, Squarespace will usually show you the updates in real time, so you can immediately see how the new font color looks on your page. If the color feels too dark, too light, or doesn't stand out enough, just go back and adjust it again until it looks clean and readable. A helpful tip here is to make sure your font color has enough contrast with the background. That way, your content stays easy to read on desktop and mobile devices. A stylish design is great, but readability should always come first. Once you're happy with the new font color, make sure to save your changes. Then preview your page and double check that the updated text color looks correct across the section you edited. If everything looks good, you're done. So that's how to change font color on Squarespace. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to look, and now you can customize your site to look more professional and on brand. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace guides, website design tips, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.